In this video, I'll go over comparing fit results from different providers, specifically 4PL and 5PL results. When comparing the fit results of 4 and 5PL curves in MyCurveFit and MyAssays products and services with results from other providers, you may see some differences in the computed coefficients. This is because, unlike linear regression, where there is a single method for computing the slope and intercept, nonlinear regressions can employ various parameter optimization techniques to fit the curve. A consequence of this is that the computed coefficients of these curves on the same data set may vary considerably between providers. Each provider may use a different parameter optimization method, including Gauss-Newton, gradient descent, Levenberg-Marquardt, and trust region reflexive. In all cases, the goal is to minimize the sum of squares of errors between the calibration data and the model's predictions. In addition, the success of the fit will depend partly on the use of good starting estimates. If the software does not make good starting estimates, it might not find a good or closer fit. Also, the maximum number of iterations performed and the threshold used to determine when a result is acceptable will impact the result. It's possible that two different software solutions produce very different computed coefficients for the same data set, but both perhaps with similar looking curves and accuracy across the curve. Other factors to consider when comparing results with other systems include checking that the equation of the curves are the same, as in some cases different vendors will use different forms. Also check that the same data is used. One may use replicated values and another averages. Be sure the same number of significant figures are used in both applications. Check to see if a weighting method is applied, and if so, is it the same weighting method? Also check to see if any transforms are used, such as log or anti-log. Even with wildly different computed coefficients, the curves may visually appear to be similar. It's important to look at the R-squared value computed for each fit. The closer to 1, the better the fit. Also, eyeball the curve to check that it shows the expected shape and that it models the data well. Computing the percent recovery or accuracy can also be helpful when comparing the quality of the fit. The well-established 4PL and 5PL fit methods used in MyCurveFit and MyAssays products and services are tried and tested and in routine use in thousands of laboratories and organizations worldwide, so you can be confident of reliable results. These fitting functions are easily accessible and usable in different scenarios. For general curve fitting, MyCurveFit and the MyCurveFit XL add-in are excellent options. By navigating to mycurvefit.com, you can enter your data point X and Y values. Select the fit method and weighting model, and the chart is automatically updated. The coefficients, equation, and goodness measures, including R-squared, are listed here. Using the Predict option, you can enter known X or Y values, and using the curve fit equation, the unknown X or Y value is calculated. Export your results to Excel, PowerPoint, or PDF. Use the Share option to share your results using a unique link. For more information on using MyCurveFit.com, please see the associated videos. To use the MyCurveFit XL add-in, open Excel and enter your data point X and Y values. Highlight the appropriate number of cells, at minimum the number of parameters in your fit method. So, for example, when calculating 5PL fit parameters, highlight at least 5 cells, 6 to include the R-squared value, and an additional column to include the coefficient names. Begin by typing equals MyCurveFit and select the appropriate fit method, in this case, 5PL. Highlight the X and Y values for your data points and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter. The coefficients are calculated and will automatically update if the X or Y values of the data points are changed. The chart I've configured here is also automatically updated, displaying the data points in orange dots and the 5PL fit as a blue line. So here you can see how easy it is to integrate a complex curve fit like 4PL or 5PL directly into existing Excel sheets with the MyCurveFit XL add-in, a task that is otherwise very difficult to do. For more information on working with the MyCurveFit XL add-in, please see our online training course available at the below link. For assays, the online data analysis service at MyAssays.com and our desktop software, MyAssays Desktop, are excellent options. By navigating to MyAssays.com and creating a free account, you will have immediate access to over 700 online data analysis protocols. Search for assays or fit methods using the search bar. For this example, we'll work with the general 4PL data analysis protocol. Configure your assay settings by using these 6 tabs. Enter your measurement data using the Measurements tab. Specify the corresponding plate layout using the Microplate tab. Add standard concentrations, dilution factors, sample IDs, and any applicable run notes. By pressing Calculate, the curve fit is performed and results are calculated. Clicking the interactive chart allows you to optionally flag and remove points as well as add other sample types to the curve. Opening results displays the full report. The curve chart appears first, with computed coefficients and goodness measures reported in this table. The curve data table displays the standard results, including percent recovery. The closer these values are to 100, the better the fit. Below the curve data table is the sample table, containing the calculated results for control and unknown samples. By using these options to the right-hand side of the screen, you can share data and results through the creation of a unique link, export to Excel, or create a printer-friendly version of the report. For more information on working with online data analysis protocols, please see the below video. MyAssays Desktop offers extensive data analysis functionality and tooling. For additional information, please see our product brochure. Briefly, I've calculated results using the pre-configured ELISA protocol. You'll notice the tabs along the left-hand side of the screen allow you to configure your assay settings in a similar manner to the online data analysis tools. Measurements, microplate, standard concentrations, dilution factors, and sample IDs. On the Results tab, you'll see our curve fit chart appearing first, followed by the curve data table. This displays the standard results with red and green coloring based on acceptability criteria set for the percent CV and percent accuracy, or recovery. Standards with percent CV and accuracy less than 20% are highlighted in green, and those with percent CV or percent accuracy greater than 20 are highlighted in red. Below the curve data table, the sample table displays the results of unknown and control samples. On the Fit Details tab, you'll see additional information about curve fitting, including coefficient values and goodness measures. You can quickly export this report using these pre-configured options, or use the Export Wizard to export in a different format, perhaps suitable for your limbs. For more information on working with MyAssays Desktop, please see our online training course. If you have any questions about curve fitting or comparing fit results between different data analysis providers, please email us at support@myassays.com.